Hello everyone, in this video I would like to cover problem 44 for pre-calculus. So here we go. I need to find the exact value of sine 60, sine 120, sine 240, and sine 300. And it can be written as an integer n. All right, so we got to write it down, right? So sine 60, here we go, sine 60, and I'm adding up with sine 120, and I'm also adding up with sine 240. All right, so let me extend it. Sine 240, and there is going to be sine 300. Okay, so that being said, what do you know about, like sine 120 first? Well, sine 120 and sine 60, they're pretty much the same thing, right? So that becomes the same expression, sine 60. But at the same time, what do I know for sine 300? Well, sine 300 equals negative sine 60. And the reason why that is also true is because we're trying to make the angle that goes inside as a, as not a multiple of 360, but, well, you can say multiple of 360, but whole number multiple of 60. Whole multiple of, like 360 will be producing those like signs interchanged. But at the same time, if you just want to find out something like 180 or 540, negative 180, and so on, something that leaves a remainder of 180 when divided out by 360, well, that's always having the same signs, I would say, right? So that being said, we can actually write it down, this one, as negative sine 120. All right, so I was trying to compute the value of sine 60, but as you've noticed, we don't really have to compute any of these, right? Why? Because, like sine 60 and sine 300, they simply cancel with one another. And you can check that sine 120 and sine 240, they also get canceled. They also get canceled with one another. So the answer that we wanted was 0. And that shall be the answer.